Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can make it look like you're carving a pumpkin on Dress to Impress. So we do need this iconic apple, and we're going to just color it this orange. Then select Rotten to the core. Then you are going to grab the pumpkin, which is here. I forgot where it is. Forgot where it was, sorry. Then we're going to toggle it to the side toggle. Then we are going to select the knife and then we're going to make it high. Then to make it not cover your face, we are going to use the switch here and we're going to select stiff no head, I think, yeah. And then you're just going to color it, I guess, the same as your pumpkin color. And that is it. That's how you can make a pumpkin carving like fit movement. I don't know what it's called, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.